I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting a stable toilet training kit, treats, and a scoop. Get everything ready now. Once done, move your cat's litter box into the bathroom next to the toilet and maintain normal feeding times to create predictable elimination. Make sure to watch for your cat's routine. Encourage them to use the relocated box with praise and treats. This early consistency reduces stress, so you create a reliable baseline before you introduce raised platforms or the training seat. You now raise the litter box in small steps so your cat adapts. Use sturdy stacks and pause if the cat resists. Once the box is level with the toilet seat, replace it with the training ring and keep familiar litter depth to avoid surprise. Make sure to reduce fear by staying calm and rewarding every success. Short, consistent sessions work better than long, forced attempts. This bridging phase teaches balance and comfort on the seat before you start removing material. You finish by enlarging the ring's hole over several days, making the opening slightly bigger each session so the cat learns to aim and balance. Once comfortable, remove the ring and practice flushing and cleaning nearby so the cat accepts the new sounds and routines. Make sure to reward calm behavior and keep sessions short. If the cat regresses, immediately go back one step and restore the smaller opening. This backup prevents anxiety and speeds recovery from setbacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.